The mystery of early days, unveiling its meaning. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're going to dive deep into a very interesting English phrase, early days. It's a phrase you might have heard or read in various contexts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what it means and how to use it confidently. Let's get started. Early days quite literally means the beginning or initial phase of a particular period or event. Think of it as the start of a journey, or the first few chapters of a book. It's when things are just starting out and there's still a long way to go. Example, we've just started working on this project. It's still early days, so we'll see how it progresses. This phrase is often used to suggest that 1. It's too soon to make a judgment about something. 2. The full potential or outcome of a situation isn't clear yet. Let's see it in action. When talking about a new relationship, they've only been dating for a week. It's early days, so we don't know if it will last long. Regarding a business, our startup has just launched its first product. It's early days and we're optimistic about the future. Sometimes people think early days can only refer to the past. But that's not true. It can also be used for ongoing situations or even future prospects. The key is that it's referring to the beginning phase of something, regardless of when that beginning occurred. Example, I'm planning to learn guitar this year. It'll be early days for a while, but I'm excited. Understanding phrases like early days can truly elevate your grasp of the English language. Remember, it's all about the beginning phase, the starting point of something. We hope this video clarified the meaning and usage of early days for you. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.